Have a good day and good time. So let's revise that sensing block already we have done in the previous video. So let's talk about that how we can make it more innovative. All right, means what else is possible? What kind of project it is possible? So already I want that, especially that falling ball. Okay, falling ball means the way a ball has to fall, and then when the cat will touch it. Okay, when the cat will touch it, and then what will happen that this cat will be flat at that time. Means it is getting hit by the balls, and then it changes its position. This is the idea about this project. Okay, so first of all we have the sprite by default. This is a default sprite. We have this, and afterwards we need three balls. So what we want, first of all, let's search for a ball. For example, this ball I'm going to take. Okay, so right now this ball has come. Now the best suggestion is that sometimes rewriting a code can make our task complicated. So what we can do, first we can take one ball and let's code it. What is our main agenda? That ball has to fall. Ball should be here and then ball should fall like this. And again the ball should go back, or means we have to show a kind of simulation. You can say that balls are falling. Okay, balls are falling and it can be on any x position. Means it can fall from here, it can fall from here. X position means horizontal position. Okay, the ball will appear on any x position. Okay, and it will keep falling, right? And again when it is falling, it should not go out of the stage. So what is the main task that I have to fix it is y position. Also means I have to fix it its vertical position also. That's very important. So what happened here, this is the x position. If you want, I'll take 2 minutes and I will show you that exactly what I'm talking about, because those numbering you should know very well. Okay, in the backdrop if you go and if you take this backdrop, this is the thing actually I wanted to show. Although in my project it won't look good, later I will change my background, but just to explain you. Okay, okay, just to explain you, uh, you have to understand that here 240 is there minus, and here plus 240, here 180 and 180. So what is happening, extreme left or right won't we will not take, and same thing extreme top and bottom we will not take. All right, so that's why, because if you take extreme then it will go and it will go out of the screen, then we have to see all of those things. So we have to make sure that it is completely visible, the ball is completely visible on this. Okay, so then how to do this? That's why I'm not taking the sprite, this cat sprite code first. First I'm focusing on the ball code. Reason is that the way ball will fall, the way it will fall, according to that I'm going to code that sprite also, this cat sprite. So first of all, what do you think I should take? All right. So here, event. Okay, event is very very important. Always just remember. So go to the event block, take when flag, click, right? And the thing is that I want this ball to fall forever. Looping is very important, because if you will not take the loop, then it will stop after doing one action. Same thing if you take repeat block. Okay, if you take repeat block, all right, we have two block actually, repeat also, we have the forever also. In this what happened, you have to fix it. Okay, and then it will repeat and it will stop after some time. So I'm not selecting this. I would like to take that forever block. Okay, forever block. Now in the forever block, what do you want to do it? So first of all, I want my ball to go to at random x position, but from this side, means from left to right it should appear. Okay, so what I have to do, I will take motion block and then go to x and y is there, but here it is fixed one. Okay, here you can see it is the fixed one. So what we can do, we can go to the operator, which is like, means like yesterday's video, means those who have seen my previous video also, you have seen that pick random I have utilized. Okay, so here pick random we have. and go to x means we will pick random, and starting what we will give, minus 22, 220, sorry, 220, minus 220. Why again I'm saying focus on this x position? It is minus 240. I have told you already that we will not take extreme left side. Okay, and same thing here in positive also we can mention. Okay, we can mention 220. All right, here just click. Okay, 220. All right, so this is the way that you have done your code. Okay, you have done your code. For the time being, I'll make it small. All right, now you can see my code is quite big. All right, so what we have done, see, and the y, again the y position. So what do you think? It should start from the top, means the falling should be, the ball should fall from the top. So what we can do, we can mention 170, although it is 180, but we will take 170. So see here, whatever the value I have taken randomly, I have not taken. I have told you its value also, although this backdrop, this graph, I will not keep it. Later I will change. But just to understand, you should know that why I am taking this. Once again, you want to see, please see this. Y position, okay, 180 it is, bottom it is minus 180 when it is going down. Okay, here if you can see that x, okay, so x was minus 220. All right, so this is the thing that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, fine. Now what after that means, whenever the ball will appear, it will appear on x any random position, but the range will be from this. So set, this is called range, means it can reappear on x position from this to this, not beyond that, because stage has the limitation. Same thing here. Now ball has to fall down. Ball should not go anywhere, and every sprite has its own direction. Okay, so for that solution, again we have to go to the motion block, and we will take pointing direction 180, because 90 means right side. So I will make the ball fall down. So, student, I do not know that are you aware of pointing direction or not. Actually, we have four direction. Okay, we have four direction. Upper, if you go, it is a 0. Please remember, if you want to note down, just note down. If you bring the arrow here, note down, point in direction, it will be 0. If you bring the arrow here, point in direction, it will become 9090. If you bring your arrow this side, as present it is already, it is 180, right? And if you take your arrow this side, it is minus 90, minus 90. Okay, so remember this, especially four direction. So point in direction 180 means the ball will now face to the downwards, 180. Okay, so we have already done. Now ball has to be visible, so we can put it from the, we go to the looks block, and show option is there. Find out the show up option, scroll down, and then attach over here. Okay, attach all this, fine. So it is the show, because ball has to be visible. Then how long it, then now it has to move also, step by step, step by step, step by step. So we have to repeat it. Why we cannot put in the forever? Because forever it cannot go forward. It has to repeat certain amount of movement, and then it has to go back. So for that solution, we will find out from the control, repeat, okay, until, means we will control its movement. Okay, random we cannot put it in the forever. I have to now control some movement. It means repeat until, means we have to put a position. Do you know why I'm saying? Because the ball is going down. I don't want my ball to go beyond the screen. If it touches the screen, or if it is coming to the desired position, then of course the ball has to go back again. It has to start. How to do this means we cannot leave the ball like this. Okay, so for this, what we have to do, again we need the operator block. So operator block is here. All right, and then we have to take the comparison one. Okay, we have to compare and put it. What is the comparison? Comparison means we have to compare its y position. Go to this, and you go from here, and okay, yes, let's see where that option has gone. Y position. Okay, check again. So many commands are there. Repeat until Y position. Where it is gone? Oh, all right, done. It is here. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to choose Y position. It is called the reporter block actually. Okay. Now Y position, what it should be till it is minus 170, means it should not go completely 180. Okay, minus 180 should not go completely. It should come here this much only, I think, or this much. That's okay, right? If the Y position will be less than minus 170, then only it will come, else it will go back. Okay, it will repeat Y position, means it has to repeat the Y position, means it keep doing its movement. Okay, and then put it. uh, Move 5 is okay. If you'll take more, see, you create your own project, you give more number or less number, and then you see what is the falling effect. Like for example, I am taking move 5 only. Okay, and then the moment it is coming from here, okay, it is coming from here and it is facing downside, it is visible, and then moment it is coming here, then what should happen? It has to go back also, at it should disappear this side. It should disappear this side. So for this, what we can do, we can use the hide block also. So go to the hide block. Okay, it is, yes, it is here, and then put it here, hide block. Now we have to make it normal, else everything will happen very fast and we will won't be able to see the movement. So to control this, what we can do, we can again give some time movement. We can give some time movement, and the time movement again we will utilize pick random. Okay, so go here, and we have to take the wait command also, and take this, attach here, and put it here. Fine, and then put some range. Okay, 0.0, and then another one you can put 2.0, just like this. It is in the seconds. It means now it can stop in any random second. Fixed we will. So why we want to give it a natural fall? So we have to mention all this. Fine. Now see, you have already done for one, so please click over there, and let's see how the ball is falling. Okay, just see randomly. See, when it is touching, okay, fine, I'll increase it large. Now you see what is happening. Okay, what is happening, how it is going, it is reappearing randomly on the X position, and it is falling down. The moment it goes, it touches it, it disappears. Okay, so see how it is showing you the natural. It is not looking like that in bit form 555 it's moving forward. It's not like this. Okay, so now I'm stopped my project. Now what is the agenda again? Next agenda, that now how many balls you want to show it on the screen. Okay, so for that facility, for one ball you have already done. So what I want, just copy it. Okay, just duplicate. And what is the plus point? See, you can save your time. How many balls you want? Okay, 3 ball, 1 ball, whatever the ball you want, you can take 4 ball, like for example. But again, do one thing, you change the color. Go to the costume, okay, and you can change the ball color. What happened? Please do not use the solid color. Why I'm suggesting you just only change the ball color? Reason is that if you will give it a solid color, so it will look like a 2D figure on the stage. It won't give you a ball look. So like, I will not suggest you to fill the color like this. Simple, you change. Many costumes are there, like one ball can be this way. Okay, and second ball, if you want, give it another color. Go to the third ball, you give it to the green color. Go to the fourth ball, give it the purple color. So at least it is quite colorful. Okay, it is quite colorful. You can see very well that all ball colors now change. But again, please go one by one and change the costume from. Okay, select any, go back to the code. Okay, now you can see you have all 4 balls. Okay, wherever you want to place them, it's okay, no issues at all. Now, how this code will work for us, it is good and interesting actually. Like I'm running it again. Now you see all balls are now, but you see suddenly the ball is changed. Why? They started together, but random fall is there. And because of this weight random, so it means each ball will stop for a random second, which maybe first ball is for 0 0.0, another ball for 1 second 0.5, or complete 1 second, whatever. That is why you can see that all ball, in a different way they are falling. Although the code is quite similar, all the codes are quite similar. Fine. Now afterwards, once we have finished the ball, so see, it didn't take a lot of time. Okay, we have written the code for all the ball, and then now what is the main agenda, especially to handle this cat? Okay, we have to now write down the code for this cat. So like you can see, it is all blank. Now what is the plan? The plan is that when I'm moving my mouse pointer, fine, like this. Again, I will tell you what is the thing, that I want this cat should follow my mouse cursor pointer. Wherever I go, it should follow. And if I want to change, if I want to click on the stage anywhere, it should be there. Why? This cat will try to save itself from the ball, and the moment it will touch the ball, it will become flat. It means again I have to apply some costume. Okay, we'll see. But see, every time when you do the project, planning is very important. Lot of discussion. Actually, I think 2 3 students should sit in the group. They should discuss the project, what they want, because when 4 5 students together, they discuss among themselves. Of course, lot of ideas can come out. Okay, whatever you want, and then plan out. And smart work also means just try that in with less code, how you can, if you will write lot of code, then debugging sometimes becomes very difficult. All right, so let's now think about the cat code. All right, so what do you think? By default we have to take that cat also. Okay, all right, so uh, first I want that it should follow me. So for that, what will I do? I will take event block when flag click, and it has to continue forever. So again I will select control and I will put the forever block. Okay, then what I want it to move and follow me, means not only point towards the cursor, but along with that it has to move. If you take 10 steps, it will move small steps. So for the safer side, I will take 40. You try with different value and see. Okay, because you have to save yourself from the falling balls. Okay, and after that we have this find mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer means it will move and it will follow. Go to mouse pointer means wherever the mouse will go, it has to go there. Then one more condition I am putting, that it should not go to the edge. Okay, so I will not ask it to go to the edge. If on edge, it will bounce back. Then it should not flip. I don't want my cat that head is down and the leg is up. I don't want that. Okay, then it will be different. So what will I do? I'm going to choose the set rotation style, so that I'm going to put it. Now what is that? This one code is ready. So what is that? Wherever I will go, okay, let's see, then I will click it. Now what happened? Whenever I'm going, okay, I it is following me. So with the mouse I can play this, I can move anywhere where, and I can save myself from the ball. Okay, see, and what is happening? It is rotation style. So whenever it is going and it is flipping. Okay, automatically it is flipping. So this is the way how you can save and be, you can save wherever you want, and on the screen anywhere you can go with this mouse pointer. Fine. So it is just like this. But apart from this, what I want, that it should change the costume, and whenever it is touching the ball, every ball, means whenever it is touching any ball, or when the ball is falling on the sprite, how I will come to know that something is happening. Okay, so now we will code for that. Okay, dear children, especially, I will not tell you about the score now. Reason is that variable without understanding the variable, I do not want to introduce the score one. You first prepare this project, and once you are perfect in this, then very soon I will give you the score, means in this how you can work out with the score. But I want you to first practice this. Now in this you can stop the project and you can put this code down or somewhere wherever you want. Okay, you can put the code down so that you get enough space for the new code. All right, although it's not an issue. All right, so like this. And now again the event block, take the event block. We have to make it move and touch the ball and do some action. Okay, so we have to see that again. Forever block, see, forever block mostly it is used in the games. All right, so you can put it like this. And now for one ball I will do, and you know what is that? Reuse of the code. Okay, reuse of the code is very important. So what I will do, I will put the condition. Okay, and I will take single condition this time. Okay, I will take this condition only. Okay, so what is happening? Sensing block, we call sensing block. What happened if it will touch the ball? Okay, let's see that. Okay, fine, ball is there, first ball. Okay, so just put it. If it will touch the ball, so what it will do? It will switch to costume, but again you have to see that the costume is there or not. Okay, so select it and go to the costume, and in this, you know, this costume is there. This is the second costume. So you know, delete this costume. Okay, delete this costume. Go and search for the flat cat. Okay, just scroll down. I think okay, fine, this one you can take, the flying cat. Okay, flying cat you can take. Okay, so let's see, it is added already. Okay, I hope yes, finally it has come. Okay, so this will be better. So you can see that how its face is there. Okay, nose is there, you can see. And here it is, the mouth is closed, so you can see how she gets amazed. Okay, and second one is the cat is happy. Okay, she's laughing, happy gesture. Here suddenly if something falls on her, she becomes flat. Okay, and if you want to do some changes, you are most welcome. Okay, in your sprite, if you want, see, each part is already fragmented. If you want to make some changes, you make it, fine, it is up to you. But I have just given you the idea how you can do it, right? And fine, so we have worked with the costume also. Now finally we can take switch costume. All right, now go to the looks block and switch costume. Fine, so what will happen? The moment it will touch the ball, it will become like a flying cat. Means actually it is not flying, but it will give you a flat look. Okay, after that it has to wait also. Okay, it has to wait. So you can go for the control block and you can give the wait. If you want to give the wait 0.2 second, so you can give 0.23, whatever you want, you give. According to that it will go. Okay, so 0.3 second. Actually, I want that every time the moment ball will not wait for the long time, ball will go away soon. So, but the moment ball is going away, again the sprite should stand. Alright, so what will happen? The moment it is touching the ball, it will become, but after some seconds, it will go back to its normal position. Now, see what happened. Here, we'll do with one ball. Okay, so let me see this project how it is going. I don't know which ball is will fall. See, some one of the ball. Yes, actually it is a yellow ball because yes, see, I have written the code for the yellow ball. So whenever the yellow ball is touching, so what happens? It becomes flat. But other ball, nothing is happening. So what you have to do? Okay, let me stop the project first. I'll go back, and then what you have to do, see, you got the idea for one ball. Why don't you copy this? Okay, why don't you copy this and then you take same? So what you do, just make copy. Okay, duplicate the whole block and then attach, right? Okay, wait, I'll put again this one also, so that you get lot of space for this. Okay, bring it down. All right, So how many balls we have? One, two, three, four balls. So copy it four times. Attach and copy again. So it will save lot of time. Okay, done. Alright. And then finally you put it in the forever block. So count it. One, two, three, four, all done. Okay. Alright. So, but now what is happening? The code was for the ball is already there. Go and change for the ball too. Then go down. Now here you make it ball 3 and go down again and you make it ball 4. Fine. Now means now all the balls will be active. I think our project is ready. Can we go in a full screen mode? Alright. Let's see. Oh, okay, 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 fine. Alright. Yes, yes. So don't click it. Just see how you have to do. Means you have to save yourself. And the moment, yes, see, now ball is falling on you, you become flat. Alright. So see, this is the way how you can do it. If you click, okay, if you want it already, just go to mouse pointer. So how, see, it's working very nicely. Alright, good. Okay, fine. So what else we can do? Let's change first of the project. First, then what we will do, choose a backdrop. Instead of that, can we take a normal backdrop or something like this? Okay, it is green. Okay, so it will, okay, better you take this one. Okay, you take this one. Okay, so I hope now it's more clear. So this one, please see, it's not difficult. Okay, the project is interesting actually. It will help you to develop another project also. You can see very well for the cat we have written two, and it is all repeated. Same block is repeated. Okay, and four times because one, two, three, four, we have four balls. And remember, when it is touching, then ball serial wise you have to change. So slowly I will show you like this. Okay, if I'm scrolling, you can see very well that the command is almost same. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on the top. If you want, I can put it on the top, and now it's quite visible. So this is the block which will help us to follow the sprite, to follow the mouse pointer, right? So if you want to see again, you can see very well, right? So this is the thing that how you can develop the project. Okay, you can make it colorful. And something, yes, some people were asking, ma'am, how come the color is different here? So actually, I print the worksheets sometimes, so I want it in a more clearer way instead of the dark. So you just go to the setting option, okay, and use a color code. So I use high contrast. So here high contrast means actually the written matter is very visible. If I take the original one, so I do not like it actually. It seems both wigs, and it is all white, so that I do not like. And the high contrast is much clearer for me. And for printing, if you want to create a booklet for yourself or any project, so this is the good for printing also. Taking the screenshot and creating a booklet project is good, and pasting somewhere. So this is the way how we have done the project. If you want to see the ball code also script, you can see here it is again. All right. So do this project, revise it and utilize it. And here I have explained each and everything. So if anyone is any educator, make sure how you explain the student that why I'm taking the particular block, why I'm using this. It makes them understand. If randomly they pick anything and they utilize, they will never ever understand. All right. Take care. Bye bye.